This video is about giving some feedback to your students and using a tool within Google Classroom for adding that rubric. What it looks like is as you are the teacher navigating and organizing through that Google Classroom there, you would see that you are able to go in and put in comments that we've got here, as well as then to put in a final score for the grading. And all of that seems pretty normal. But over here on the right, you should be able to see that there's this breakout of these one, two, three, four boxes. And when I hover over it, it says not at standard, basic, meeting standard, exceeding standard. When I click and it drops down, these are again animated boxes. This is actually the rubric that I have built right here that has one criterion, one row to it. And then I've made that rubric so that looking here, if this is meeting standard, I can click and then return this work to my student. Now let's take a look at what that looks like for the student. So I go into that student's class, I go into that classwork there for the student, and I go to that draft that work. The rubric's there to be able to see and to kind of navigate what the expectations are, as well as if I go to the actual assignment and return, I can see here that, okay, so that's selected, but over here I've got the expand of the criteria to where that feedback really says, I got this rating, I've earned this because this is where I'm at. So what I'm getting at is this is one more way that you can give feedback to your students by using the rubrics within Google Classroom.